Are you worried because your fresh glowing skin has suddenly turned dull and lifeless? The culprit might be the dead skin cells. These dead skin cells continue to stick to the upper surface of the skin, hiding the natural glow of the skin and hindering the process of moisture absorption. So, in order to keep your skin clean of dead skin cells, it is vital to undertake some process to remove dead skins regularly. Here we will tell you about a natural homemade face pack that can remove dead skins from your face with high effectiveness. Olive oil and coffee face pack. This pack is loaded with antioxidants, which guard your skin from external damage and aging. It makes your skin soft and removes layers of dead skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon coffee powder. How to make: mix both ingredients in equal quantity and make a thick paste. Apply it all over your face and then let the mask stay for the next 20 minutes. Remove it by rubbing in circular motion and rinse with tepid water, pat dry. Overuse of this face pack that can be irritating even to skin that is not sensitive. Gently use it once a week can help make the complexion appear clearer. It may also help to treat or prevent breakouts,